What is up, my radioactive feathered friends? My name is Nuclear Chicken, and welcome to Bad Piggies. Now, this is a game like one of those like Angry Birds games. Only you play as a bad piggy. Yay! How original. No. Now we're not going to be playing any of these boring levels. We're going to be doing some sandboxes. And the reason I chose this game was because I was just like, you know what, I need some universe sandbox. I need some sandbox games. Like so many games. It's starting to get out boring. But let's see what this does. So, okay, so what you do really is you could like do whatever you want. It depends on what stuff you unlocked. Like I have this thing unlocked and this Pepsi bottle. And what I'm gonna do is if I click the green and black one, that's what happens. Now if I press the TNT, it makes a catastrophic explosion, which is why I always do it. Now, the funnest part is you could build whatever the crap you want. So, like, I could do, like, this. I could add that right there. I could add this and this. I could put this right there. That. Well, I need, but, you know, I think you know what I mean. And then I could do that. And I just need, I got a better idea. To make it look cooler, I need to add that. There we go. Now then, fly away to the heavens. Okay. Let's add some launchers so everyone could fear me. I also need to add some wheels in order to make some wheelies. And I also need to add, I guess these. Really, I failed. Yay! Go fly, fly, fly into the heavens. Fly to the heavens. I missed the button. But what we're gonna do is we're going to make a super mega, nah, I don't feel like it. We're gonna make a giant thing, over here, in a different sandbox. Can't do that. Oh, when pigs fly, here we go. Now, it's time to make a catastrophic catastrophic explosion that could fire missiles and do other sorts of crap that I'm not aware of. Now, what I built so far. I haven't played this game in a long time, which is why I thought it was a good idea to play it right now. Oh, fathead, get out of here. You too, and this entire contraption. I need to make something like a boat. I could add like iron for this. I could also add it's not going to be a very big boat, but it's still going to be destructive. And we're going to have the fat one. And the little one's going to get squished by the fat one because it's so fat. Gosh. You could lose a couple pounds. Now, It's time to add these. Oh no, not. We need to add the explosive, well, not explosive, but still sort of destructive TNTs. And now we have to be able to soar, which is why I luckily come prepared. Every single, oh shoot, he's way too fat. Oh well, we're gonna have to go on without him, I guess. Could have balloons everywhere. Yes, it's beautiful. There's just one thing missing. You guys want to know what that is? Oh, it was paused the entire time. You guys want to... So, this is what I built. And I just need to add one more thing. You guys want to know what that is? It is the fat one itself. I swear if it destroys everything, I'm going to be so gosh dang mad. Words will not describe how angry I am. Never mind, it destroyed itself. What the crap? What have I created? You need to go. Is that what's causing the problem? Oh shoot. It's gonna explode. No. No. Oh, because it's not attached to anything. Pfft. Stupid. Granola. I believe I can. Oh. We run. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the annual derby of the pigs. Go, 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 go. Oh, crap. Oh, no. Mayday. Mayday. No, we're going down. Cut the ropes. But anyway, guys, I'm going to leave this episode here. If you guys enjoyed, slap the like button to become awesome, and I will see you all later.